What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Justin Marloo IRL, and today we are back with another video. As you guys can see in the background, we have a PC set up and we have some accessories that we got from Best Buy. So I want to go ahead and let headphones. Now, if you guys don't know, man, I've been playing Call of Duty for a while. I've been playing games, video games for a while. And Turtle Beach was the first headphones that I ever had. Those. When I seen these, bro, I was like, bro, I gotta go get these, bro. I gotta go get these. Turtle Beach bring back good memories. I also got the Recon controller as well. Comes with the grip, also PC accessible. And yes, these two match. These two came together. Well, they really come together, I got them together. And yeah. So yeah, man, Turtle Beach, bro. I've been using it on a while. I cannot wait to use my new Turtle Beach headphone controller. So we're gonna put that right here on the side. As you can see, we got the Series 5524SH. This is an HP monitor, 23.8 inches. Man, this is gonna be a good monitor. I actually seen it when I was in Best Buy. It was very clear. It had a smaller one. It was 21 inches. It was coming too small, so I'm not going with this one. So we're gonna unbox this as well, guys. It's a good pickup. As you guys can see, it is white, and as you guys can see in my background, everything is white and black. That is my color. For some reason, I just feel like white and black, bro, is like the most timeless colorway, and it just looks so clean to it. But what y'all came to see, oh my God, this is what y'all came to see, bro. We have the CyberPowerPC. This was recommended to me by ChatGPT, bro. You know ChatGPT, we know what they're talking about. Plus, I didn't want to get an overhyped PC. I just wanted something modest, because I still got me a PlayStation 5 and stuff like that. I don't know if I'm gonna be streaming on her every single day, all day. You feel me? Now, if we're gonna get to that point, then we know we're gonna double up on the PCs. But right now, we got the starter PC right here. This is the CyberPowerPC Play Ready Desktop Gaming PC. So we're not gonna waste no more time, y'all. We're gonna get right into the unboxing, because that's what y'all came to see, bro. I came to see the unboxing, bro. I came to see the unboxing. So we're gonna go ahead and get the PC out the box first. I don't want to waste no time. I want to see what the thing looks like. Whoa. Okay. So right here we got like a little secret message right here. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know what that says, but again, I can see. I like this. I haven't seen it yet, and I like this, bro. When I look at this in person, it did not have this colorway. So we got a NOHI 02 RGB USB keyboard plug-in. That's fire, bro. CyberPower. I mean, you got all types of stuff on here. I mean, I'll list all this stuff down below. Y'all know how me and Best Buy. Me and Best Buy like this now. I'm gonna get all the details down below. I want to see what's really working with, though. Fighting, ain't it? That motherfucker fight. That motherfucker got a little fight though. I gotta watch this recording. See with the fight tonight. I can't even fight with my PC. What's this right here? What is this? Oh, okay. We got an Elite M2 gaming mouse. Okay. That's fire. That's fire. That's fire. Of course, that's what it comes with. That's what it comes with. I get that. I get that. I get that. Now, this is what y'all been waiting to see. Holy bro, look how big this PC is. This does not look that big in person. Oh, bro, this came with a lot of stuff. What is this? Okay, we got our cords. Okay, you flip. Okay, I know what that is. Okay, we got our gaming cords. You know, the simple stuff. I like this bag though. Let me get in the bag, okay? Important, read this first. They talking about read this first. I was about to read that one. Packaging foam removal. Systems may please. Okay, so you gotta slide this bad boy open, pull that thing out, start plugging in some stuff. I'm a PC veteran. I don't need that. Well, I'm a PC guy. I don't need no instructions. What are you using instructions for? Well, I can use my damn brain. Okay. Get this on camera. Get this on camera. What's this right here? Why does it look scuffed up, bruh? Man, okay, it's just a plastic. I was about to say, bro. I didn't know Best Buy was giving out used PCs around here. But I guess it's just a plastic. To get it all the way out here before I start talking about crap. Out of there, bro. This is fire. That's low-key fire. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not cleaning this up for a while. Alright, so this is it. This is it, boys. We got it. PC is out the box. As y'all can see, we're not gonna really I'm not gonna put this together right now. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna put it together. That's for me to do and for y'all to see the final process when I finish. I'm not gonna unbox that bowl. I will unbox my other things. And I don't even think I want to edit this video. I just want to clip it out. So I might not even edit this video, but we're gonna try to get all this stuff. You can't play around with it. You gotta unbox it. Okay. Turtle Beach headphones. Okay. See how them coming out. See how them come out. Nice little wrap though. Turtle Beach headphones. Y'all already know. Y'all seen these a million times. Man. I'm really looking down the road. We want to get to the money. We want to see all these products out on the floor together. Of course, I want to see if this controller is on, because this is what we're gonna be using the most. I'm a figure guys stuck in a suit. Yes, I'm ashy because as a man who always working and using his hands, that's usually how it goes. I'm always unboxing some shit. So y'all work at a warehouse like I did in my old days, back in my heydays, and y'all know you unboxing some shit, especially some cardboard boxes. Boy, your hands gonna be getting break, man. Ooh, we gonna be able to use this for a lot of things. I love when I get a new power C cord. That's one thing I love when I see a new power C cord. So I use them. I use that for everything. I'm geeking. Y'all see me unboxing it. I'm geeking. Yeah, I'm opening little booklet, some stickers probably. I know they always give a Turtle Beach sticker at the end. And that's it. That's everything in the box. Charger, cord, stickers, the usual when it comes to Turtle Beach. Y'all know. I like this, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I actually like this. This is pretty cool. I never had this specific controller either, so that's pretty cool. I like that. Alright. controller. Got that. Got that. Wow, here we go. So I can see the setup getting nice. Get these boxes and plastic away. And y'all know we don't return nothing. We don't even need these boxes no more. I ain't saving no boxes, so I'm about to get on this motherfucker tonight. I'm glad I took my time. Open this motherfucker pop. A Christmas gift. Oh, okay. This is the stand. Everybody know the stand comes at the bottom. The metal plated. Crispy. That's gonna look clean with that PC though. That metal on metal look. Instructions. We don't need that. Sound like a motor vehicle product. Oh, ooh, okay. Oh, this clean. Another power cord. Now they may be different for this specific monitor, but I'll leave that in the description if you guys want to see a little bit more details on that. But this is just an unboxing, y'all. If y'all want to get the deets and the tweets, y'all comment, I'll do that. But right now, I know how we getting down. It's an unboxing video. Y'all get ready for the piss off. Unboxing and a workout video. Ooh. Why did this feel so clean though? Man, am I so happy I picked this one over the other one. I'm so happy I picked this one. I almost got the other one. It was way smaller. The other one would have been 21 inches. Man, that is gonna look beautiful under there. Oh my god, that's gonna look beautiful. Alright, fam. As y'all can see, y'all seen the unboxing, y'all seen the products. Yes, this takes HDMI. This is gonna be my new setup right here. As y'all can see, it's gonna be my new setup. So I'm gonna get to y'all once we got all this finalized setup and put together. Yeah, and after that, I'm gonna take a nap, man. Me and my girl going to the movies tonight, get something to eat. And then after that, I might set up my stream or something. So if y'all wanna see that, y'all know what to do. Hit that like. I'm still dealing with these papers falling off the wall. I just don't feel, I just feel disrespected that my papers won't fall off on my damn video. But we're gonna end this video. I appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Okay. What up, YouTube? It is currently 11:30 in the morning and I am finalizing my video. So I wanted to show you guys what the finalization of the PC setup looks like. The CyberPowerPC, of course. So far, we got our monitor, our HP monitor that is 21.3 inches, or 23.3, sorry about that. 23.3 inches on my HP monitor. It's very clean. I'm not even upgraded my Mac. I upgraded my Mac.